Welcome back. In this module, we are going to add a tag, online tag editor, to our MP3 file. So currently our MP3 file is just audio. There's nothing else there. I'm going to go get the audio file for it first. So here's one thing we're doing. See the difference here? We have no image and we have an image. These are both audio files. This one has an image, this one does not. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this one an image. I'm going to give it a title. And I filled in my data. I'm going to select the album cover. Go back up here to my images. And I'm going to get the 3000 by 3000 one here. So you'll see there's different sizes. I'm going to get the max. It's need to be 1400 by 1400 or up to 3000 by 3000. I'm going to do the max, make it look real pretty. And there we go. I don't know what this comment thing is. Save the MP3. There we go. So is it ready? I guess so. Right click and save. I will do that. Download link file. Boom. Close. Now what we should see is I'm going to go look at my file folder and we should see that it looks the same. Here we are in my file folder. Here's the original. Here's the copy. Normally I would just write it over or have it replace it, but I just wanted to show you the difference. The difference is, and also if I do get info, then it's going to have more info about, not to mention the image, it's going to have more info. See, it has a title, stuff like that. Whereas I do the info on this one, and it has no image, no title, no nada. So that's why we did this. And that's it. With that online tool, I don't know if it's the best one. We'll figure it out. I'm going to now get rid of this, delete that one, make it this one, get rid of the words copy, and we're done.